How to withdraw money from Binance to bank account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can withdraw money from Binance to bank account. To withdraw money from Binance to bank account, you will first need to open your Binance application on your mobile device, and here make sure you are logged in to your account. Once logged in, you will land on this home page. Here at the bottom right, you will be able to see Wallet tab. Tap on this Wallets, and by doing so, here at the top, you will be able to see various options. Tap on this Spot option, and once you reach inside it, here you will be able to see the Withdraw button. But before proceeding further, make sure your account is verified. Also make sure you have enough balance in your account. Only then you will be able to proceed further. In this page, tap on this Withdraw button right here. And now you will be able to choose the withdraw in crypto. Tap on the search bar and then search for USDC. Once you find it, tap on it, and at the bottom you will be able to see various options. Here you will need to look for the option Withdraw Fiat. This is where you can withdraw money directly to your bank account. Here I am selecting Send via Crypto Network. Once you select it, you will reach to this page. Here you will need to enter the address, and then you will need to specify the amount that you'd like to withdraw from your Binance account. You will also need to choose the currency you wish to withdraw from the chosen drop-down menu here at the left side. After that, you can tap on this Withdraw button at the bottom, and then you will need to select your preferred withdrawal method, which is bank transfer. After that, you will need to fill in your bank account details, including bank name, account name, and also make sure all information is accurate. You will need to review all of the details of your withdrawal, including the fees and amount, and then you can proceed further. You will also need to enter any verification code sent to your mobile phone number to confirm the transaction. And after confirming all the details are correct, you will need to submit your withdrawal request. After that, Binance will process your request and funds will arrive in your bank account within a few business days depending on your bank's processing time. So by following these steps, you can effectively withdraw funds from your Binance account directly to your bank account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.